Hello YouTubers, this is V for WordPress, and in this video we are going to show you how you can use Apress theme and how you can create a professional looking website by using Apress theme pre-built demo functionality. And in this video we will show you every functionality and setting of Apress theme. In order to do so, we will need Apress theme. Here we have purchased Apress theme. After purchasing Apress theme, you will get some basic files and some main files. Like this is the main file, Apress child theme. You should have a child theme and you should have a main theme also. It differ from you have purchased what you get. So I have got two main files and a child theme and a documentation file and a licensing file and some plugins. These are some 5 plugins: Apress core plugin, Apress importer, JS composer, erosion slider, and ultimate VC add-ons. And here in this video we will talk about everything that is related to Apress. So first, in order to know about Apress theme, we should install it on our WordPress. So this is my WordPress website, 2020 theme running on it, and here is the dashboard. Now we will install. We will click on appearance and themes. Now we will click on add new and upload theme, and we will go on the desktop and our folder and install the latest version theme by dragging it from there to here, and we will click on install now. Now this is installed, and now we will activate it. And just after activating it, we will get a message of begin installing plugins here, and we will click on it, and we'll select all the plugins, and in the bulk action we will install all the plugins. Now all the plugins have been installed and activated. Now we will click on dashboard, and we will also go on front end to check if everything is alright. Thus this shows that Apress theme is installed and the layout has changed. Now I'll go back on WordPress dashboard, and we have got this WooCommerce message. For the time being we will click on it, not right now. We will set up WooCommerce, but not now. Now we have installed Apress theme and installed all the plugins and activated them, and we have also seen that it's working. Now we'll hover the Apress section, and in this section we will click on install demos, because in this video we will show you how you can create a professional looking website for your business. So here we have so much pre-built demos. You can choose whatever demo you want, and you can customize it by your own taste or as per your needs and which business category you want. Now I will choose a consulting. I'll choose this one, a consulting demo. Click on install and click on OK. चुप रहो. Now the demo has been imported. click OK, and just we will go on front page and refresh the page. This video is going to be a little bit longer because we will show you each and every setting and functionality of Apress theme. As we can see, we have this layout. Now we'll go and make this layout like this one. Just go on the left side and setting and reading option, and from here we have to choose a static page, and from this we will choose corporate 3, and for the post page you can choose anything. I will choose news. Post page shows your blog options. Save changes. Now we will go on the front end and refresh it. Now we have a fully functional dynamic WordPress website. See, now I will show you how you can change this content, any of these content, everything. And let's start. We will firstly go on theme options and we will explore every setting of Apress theme. Now in theme options we have got so much settings. We will go one by one. In the global option we have got preloader. Preloader is something just a second before loading the website it runs. I will show you after activating it. We have activated preloader and we will upload a image on it. And we will choose Apress demo logo and select it, and we will not choose anything from here, and we will save it. And now you will see when I will refresh the page, in the this is the preloader. That was the preloader. You can skip, you can go back on and see what preloader is. I will refresh it again. This is preloader. Now we will go back and explore more settings. Now for the time being I am going to off it because sometimes it makes our website slower. This is second setting, enable disable one page. Now we'll go some a bit faster because these are the long list we have, and we also have to change these things. So this is enable disable one page. We don't need, if you want your website to be a one pager, just enable it, but I don't want my website to be a one pager because we have home page, about page, services page, works and menu. Now we will go on the logo section. Here we have a logo here. This is our logo. It comes from this section, and if we scroll it, then it's our header is sticky. This sticky header is coming from here, this section, and you can change it from a different logo if you will on it and upload a different logo, but we want our logo to be same as here and here. These are the logo options, these are the properties of logo and the margins of logo. You can try it just by putting some numbers and see how they react. And Now this is our layout function. In layout function we have site layout. Site layout, what kind of website you are going to make, a wider one, a boxed one, or a theater one. You can choose different version, and after saving you can see what changes here have been done. And this is site width. Normally this is 1366 on Windows PC and 1440 for Apple desktops, Mac versions. This is site layout padding. This is page content padding. Page content padding is something. This is page content padding here and here. This is page content padding. This is margin left and margin right. This is margin left and margin right. You will see that there is a specific margin in every block. There is a specific margin. This is what comes from here. And this is single sidebar layout. When we go on sidebar section, like I'll show you a sidebar. This is a sidebar. 75% is this from here to here, and 25% is this. You can change it, like you can make it 60 and 40, so this will increase. And this is dual sidebar. If we have two sidebars, one here and one here, and in the middle of it the content, so there are too many functionalities in here. And then comes the main part, the header. It's the header position, header content area, header position, what do you want, left, right, or top. Use custom setting. We have in Apress we have some preset headers. You can see if you enable preset mode, then there are this kind of header, this kind of header, this. You can choose whatever kind of header look you want in your WordPress website. When we installed, it was a custom build header. From here you can see there are two sections, like here and some sections here, like this, and some section here, 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 and menu. Okay, now I will tell you how it's working. See, this is top bar. In top bar we have selected top bar is on, like this is top bar, this is whole top bar. And in top bar we have three sections. We have selected three sections. We can select it two, but we have selected three. So in left hand we have left 30, right center 40, right 30, and in center we have address, like here we have address. In left we have working hour here, and in right we have email address and social. Here this we can decrease the number, increase the number, then this will change. And we can also put something in here, like I'll take the cart and I'll drop it here before the email address, and I will save it, and I will come in here and refresh it. You will see the cart is here, but because of the proportion size, this is not good looking. So I will do is what I will make it 30 and make it 40, and I will save again. Now I will come here again and save it, refresh it, sorry. and this is working finally. So you can do whatever you want from here. You can also text 1, text 2. This is text 1, text 2, and a special button. Text 1, text 2 is here at the bottom of it. Text 1, text 2, text 3, and special button 1. There are special buttons, special button 1 and special button 2. These are the special buttons here. So this was the top bar, this, and this is the second bar. The second bar is here, second section 2. It's on, and it's also 3 columns, 35, 50, 15, like this. 15, 30, 50, menu, or 35. Section 3 is off. There are some other header options like activity center logo. This is off, otherwise the logo should be in here. Set design, extended menu. You can choose, you can just go and make some changes and save it. And now we will go and header styling. We can style header from here. There are too many options: color, design, margin, height, top bar styling. Like it's the height is given here is 50. If the height is given here is 50, we can increase it, make it 400 or whatever we want. And there are what type of font family you want to use. This is open sans, used by default. You can choose whatever you want. You can change this font regular, width, and color of the top bar font color. And section 2 styling is here. Section 3 styling is here. You can just try yourself. And here comes the sticky header options. Sticky header. This is a sticky header. In a sticky header, what kind of color you want, how much shrink you want, slide down. Like this is normal. We can make it shrink and give it a height. We can make it slide down. And just try yourself. Like I will show you. I selected shrink and saved the video. Sorry. We'll refresh it and see it's how it shrinks. And the height is 100. The height in the header section, it was 50. I made it 100. Sticky header. This is sticky header. Just try yourself. Responsive breakup points. This is the responsive break point width. We can make it whatever we want, 920 or whatever. This is mobile header. On mobile, what things you want to show or what not. Sticky header. Do you want to show sticky header? There are some things. Just here we have header social. This is header social. If you want the hover color to change, just change anything and save. And the icons, size, header social icon box, margin is this, and I will refresh it. See, the color is changed. And this is a special button, free card. See here, free card. I just delete. I'm going to show you how this works. You can change the special button background color, hover color, because this is same. I will show you. Free special button 2. You can, in header section, you can see there are 2 special buttons. And then comes our menu part. There are also some menu designs in here. You can select whatever you want. Like we have selected this one. See how this goes. This. If you select this, then it will give it a underline. I will select and refresh it. see, see, we have clicked on works part, and now this is we have selected. We can select it upper border. There are menu styling, menu highlight border. You do not have any border in here. Menu item padding, menu item margin. There are so many things, so many settings. Just try it yourself. Sidebars, we have talked about sidebars. And this is footer. Here comes the footer. We will go on the footer section. Here is the footer. We do not have any kind of footer right now. I'll show you a little bit how you can create a footer. See, we have widgets. We have selected not a footer builder. You can select a footer builder and make a template and choose it here, or widget section. Widget section is the easy part. We have 3 sections of widget, and there are footer settings. Widget is here. We will right click on open in link in new tab. And we have, you can see we have 3 options. I will just try to look what it looks like now. There is nothing. I'll try to give some information in here. I will write menu, and in the next this is section 2 contact information. I'll write phone number in here. And just refresh it and we will see nothing worked. Display footer layout, this. Let's check it out why it's not showing. And the footer is gone, as you can see. Let's check why it's not working. Again, we will refresh it. It's not came again. Now I will just stop the video and check it out why it's not working. Now I will save it. Now I will check it if it's working or not. It's not working. I should stop the video. Now I have rectified the error. There was no error. Actually, this footer widget area, it wasn't saved properly. So if we give it heading and we give it testing here, and now when it's saved, I have not done anything change in here. What we were done was okay, see, and we can add up like text section here, heading 2, and testing. You'll see this is working fine. You can see that that's what will happen if you add something in here. We can add address in here, a logo, a contact form in here. Here we have everything. Just check it out and just play it around. And now we will go further. This is copyright section. Here you can write copyright 2008. This is coming here, and there are social options. We have selected in footer in this from this area. From here. Now we will come at background. We have a background color of white. Opens below will work for both boxed and white mode. And here we have a typography. You can change it whatever you want. Anything heading 1, 2, 3, 4. Change the color, the font size, the padding, the line height, whatever you want. Now we have a full website color theme here. Like blue is the primary color. Here you can see you can change it to green, and it will turn green to the most of the website's content. Body links color is black, something this 333. You can change the color, just check yourself. There is a button, or you want to show a button like there are so much buttons. There will be buttons. This is a button, but it comes from Revolution Slider. But whenever you use a button, this functionality will work. There's a blog option, there is a portfolio option, there's a testimonial option. Just check it around. And there's a WooCommerce option also, how you want to show single sidebar, right sidebar, left sidebar, or no sidebar, how much section, products, columns you want to show, how much products you want to show at a one page, how much, what kind of grid you want to show. Masonry, this is masonry, this is normal grid. And there are so much options in here. This is custom CSS. You can also put custom CSS in here. I will save it and we will see what this is what. And now I'll show you how you can change a page content. Like if you want to change this or this image or this, how you can change it. If you are logged in, then you will see this bar in here. Just right click and open it, new page. And if you have any kind of query, any kind of problem using Apress theme, just comment below and I will reach you. I will tell you what you can do to rectify your problem. See, there is four section. This slider option, it is coming from the below page. I will show you from where. This is the slider option. Slider position is default, slider type is revolution, and select revolution slider is corporate form. This is the revolution slider, it's coming. And now we will come back. See, this is the image box, 1 2 3 image box, and a text link box. Just go on it and change it whatever you want. We deliver the best service of our clients worldwide. This is what I'm just showing you how. Just delete it, save it, and there will be some and there is a link. There's a read more style and there's a read more link, and there is a image box new, and this is all, it's a counter. You will all find in here. See, here's the image and its content description, its title, and the title style. How you want to show title, how you want to show description, icon, button. There is no icon, but heading. This heading, we are fortune. This is this counter. You can just change the value, change this, whatever you want to change. It's so simple. The user interface of Apress WordPress theme is so simple. See, you can change any icon, you can change the color of this text, icon style, invested across various industries. You can change whatever you want. There's a portfolio style below this. This is a portfolio. Here's a portfolio section. Portfolio is coming from here. I'll show you. From here you can create, right click on it, open link, new tab. You can create your portfolios in here, and you can after that embed them in here. Just select the category. See, design category, smartwatch confectionery, just, and you can add, like you have, there's a adding section, button. I was talking about this button in theme options. This is button. Just try yourself, and if you have any query, comment below and I will try to fix your query. And this is testimonial slider. There's a testimonial you will find. This is the testimonials heading. This is all simple. Just give it a try. This is a contact form. the here is a contact form. And this is the visual composer. I've shown you the Apress theme, the whole Apress theme option, post, portfolio, testimonial, themes, media, footers, WooCommerce products. And this is a different thing, it's a visual composer. I'll also create a separate video on visual composer, but for the time it's done, I think just change the content and the website is yours, the brand is yours, you can make it whatever you want. So this is the end of the video. If you liked my video, or if you have any kind of problem, just comment below. And if you liked my video, if you got any kind of help from it, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I will in future I will also create some more videos on Apress theme and more functionality, and I'll also create my custom design theme website on Apress. So please do like my video, subscribe the channel and share the link, and keep watching U for WordPress, V for WordPress, and keep watching V for WordPress.